Welcome to Project Insights. This module helps you identify opportunities in specific projects or HTBs. You can view the building details with demand levels, past sale transaction information of units, and estimated prices and gains of units. Let's give it a try. Let's look at insights for the Alcove condominium in Galen, Singapore. First, enter in the project name in the search bar. Select the project from the search list. Once done, you will see an overview of the project, including the demand for sale and rent. You can also click the link to view current active listing on Property Guru. Below it will be transaction information and estimated prices of units for the project. You will be able to view specific blocks and enter in filters with your desired ranges. To view all details of a specific unit in the block, click on the unit. To download the unit details, click the download button. We hope this quick guide was useful in helping you get started. To explore other modules from DataSense. Welcome aboard.